Namaste. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful yogic techniques, Shambhavi Mudra, also known as eyebrow center gazing. This ancient practice is a gateway to higher consciousness, deep meditation, and inner awakening. It is often called the key to enlightenment in yogic scriptures and is an essential part of Kundalini and Tantra Yoga. What we will learn in this video: the technique of Shambhavi Mudra, the science behind it, how it affects the brain and nervous system, precautions and contraindications to practice safely, how to integrate it with breath work and meditation for deeper experiences. Advance internal Shambhavi practice. Stay till the end because I will guide you through a step-by-step practice. Shambhavi Mudra is a yogic practice where you gently gaze at the eyebrow center while keeping your head still. In ancient texts like the Hatha Yoga Pradipika and the Shiv Samhita, this technique is mentioned as a doorway to deep meditation and spiritual awakening. Meaning of the name Shambhavi Mudra. Shambhavi means belonging to Shiva, symbolizing higher consciousness. Mudra means gesture or seal. It locks energy within, awakening higher awareness. In the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Lord Shiva tells Devi Parvati that simply by fixing the gaze at the eyebrow center, the mind enters a deep meditative state and one attains enlightenment. How to practice it? Step 1. Prepare your posture. Sit in a comfortable meditative pose, Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Keep your spine straight and shoulder relaxed. Place your hands in Chin Mudra or Jhan Mudra on your knees. Step 2. Relax the face and eyes. Close your eyes, relax the facial muscles, take deep breaths and let go of all tension. Step 3. Open your eyes and shift your gaze. Open your eyes slowly and fix your gaze straight ahead. Then without moving your head, roll your eyes upward towards the eyebrow center. If done correctly, your eyebrows will form a V shape with the apex at the center. Step 4. Synchronizing with breath. Inhale while lifting the gaze. Hold the gaze and breath for a moment. Exhale while gently lowering the gaze. Repeat 5 to 10 rounds, gradually increasing over time. Step 5. Relaxation and awareness. Close your eyes and relax the muscles between rounds. Meditate on the stillness in the dark space behind closed eyes. Now, physical benefits of doing Shambhavi Mudra. First, it strengthens the eye muscles, improving vision. Second, it relieves eye strain and tension from excessive screen time. Third, it activates the pineal and pituitary glands, balancing hormones. Now, mental and spiritual benefits of doing Shambhavi Mudra. First, it enhances concentration and mental clarity. Second, it induces a state of thoughtlessness, reducing stress and anxiety. Third, it awakens Ajna Chakra, third eye chakra, developing higher intuition. Fourth, it deepens meditation, leading to profound spiritual experiences. Once you master the external practice, you can do Shambhavi Mudra with closed eyes. Keep your awareness internally at the eyebrow center. Do not let the mind wander. Keep the gaze inward. This intensifies meditation and deepens spiritual awareness. Now Shambhavi Mudra with mantra for advanced practice. Hold Shambhavi Mudra while silently chanting Om or the Mahamrityunjay mantra. This enhances the energy flow to Ajna Chakra, activating deeper states of awareness. त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्युर्मोक्ष्यमामृता. Who should not practice Shambhavi Mudra? If you have glaucoma, retinal issue, or just had eye surgery, avoid this practice. People with high eye strain or weak optic nerves should practice carefully. If you feel discomfort, release the gaze immediately and relax the eyes. Now some tip. Always practice in moderation. Start with a few seconds and gradually increase duration over months. Shambhavi Mudra is not just an eye exercise. It is a powerful spiritual tool that leads to deep meditation and self-realization. Regular practice can bring immense mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual awakening. Now next steps. Try practicing Shambhavi Mudra for just 5 minutes daily and observe the changes in your meditation. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Comment below what was your experience with Shambhavi Mudra. Stay tuned for my next video on different topics related to yoga. Namaste.